Hi there, this is Fixed1t. This is a Robosapien V2 in the silver body that I've just finished repairing. And I'll just run him through his demo.
Self-diagnostic initiated. I am Wowwee Robotics model RS-V2. Understood. I hope nobody saw that.
As you can see, he's fully working, and one of the other tests I want to do with him is just to see if he'll turn left and right. As you can see, his right hand opened and now he's dropped down, so let's move him down the other way. His left hand's opened and let's push him upwards and back round. He's looking great, along with the fully working RS V2 remote control, and this is one of the excellent remote controls that actually has the green light in it.
I see it.
You see, which is, oops, hang on, stop, hang on, he was gonna, and what happens is
Signal lost.
if you switch the light on, then he will go looking for it.
Target acquired.
Stop him before he jumps off the table. Hope you like him. I hope you like the video. Please share it and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye.